I told you that I would show you these poppable cranberries as soon as I took them out of the oven, but I didn't. I didn't get that done. But I'm in my shop working, and I brought these because they're so delectable to snack on. Oh my goodness. They're super tart. And they've got that coating of powdered sugar. I don't know how it makes a little casing on there, but it's so awesome. Listen. See? A hard little coating. And these deserve a presentation in a beautiful dish. Even if you are working. It's just fun to have it sitting there for a little snack. So I'll attach the other video to this so you can see how to make these. All it is cranberries and powdered sugar. All right, y'all. Enjoy the rest of the video. Oh my dear goodness, you guys, are you making all the good stuff for Thanksgiving? I like to make sure that each family person has exactly what they want to eat on Thanksgiving Day. And that does include cranberries, because last year I found out about poppable cranberries, and I was so curious. That did not seem possible to me at all. But I tried it, and you guys, I am obsessed. I could not wait till the stores started selling cranberries again so that I could make more poppable cranberries. And my little people have fallen in love with them too. So I want to make sure that I have a big bowl of poppable cranberries ready for everybody to munch on Thanksgiving Day. So all you need is fresh or frozen cranberries, and you soak them in juice or Sprite, or this is pineapple juice that I soaked mine in. Then you put them into powdered sugar. Just coat them really well with powdered sugar. Put them on a cookie sheet with parchment paper, lined with parchment paper, and then put them in the oven, 250 degrees for 5 minutes. That's all, y'all. 250 degrees for 5 minutes. And just as soon as I pull mine out of the oven, I'll show them to you, okay? You're not going to believe it. See, look, I put the cranberries down in this powdered sugar, and they're coated really well. Completely covered with powdered sugar. See, this is what they look like when you put them in the oven for 5 minutes at 250 degrees.